Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial I want to show you how to crochet rose bouquet plate coaster. This is super easy, trust me. I'm gonna tell you how to make it step by step. If you are an absolute beginner, don't forget to check the absolute beginner playlist on my channel, which is here or here, and then you're gonna learn how to crochet easily. And don't forget to ask me your questions in the comments, I always answer. And don't forget to like this video and support my channel. Let's start crocheting. Okay, this is my 3mm hook, and this is the yarn tail. In this project, I want to make a magic ring. If you don't want to use the magic ring, you can use the 2 chains method, and you can learn it from this project. So first, I'm gonna make one magic ring. After making the magic ring, you need to chain 2, 1 and 2. We're not going to count these 2 chains as 1 stitch. Now I want to start making stitches. I want to make 12 double crochets inside of the magic ring. So this is how I'm going to make double crochet inside of the magic ring. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, make 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 1 double crochet. Again, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets. Keep making double crochets. You need to have 12 double crochets. Okay, after making 12 double crochets, I want to close the magic ring, so pull the short tail, just like that. Now the magic ring is closed. Now inside of the second chain that I made, you see this is the first chain, this is the second chain. I want to insert my hook and make 1 slip stitch like this. This is the end of the round 1. Now I want to start the round 2. So to start the round 2, again you need to chain 2 and don't count it as 1 stitch. Inside of the next stitch, I want to make 2 double crochets. We call that increasing, when you make 2 stitches inside of 1 stitch. So 2 double crochets inside of 1 stitch. Again, inside of the next stitch, which is this one, you see this V shape. I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape and make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. This is it. This is the pattern you should repeat. You need to increase 12 times until the end of the round, and then after that you must have 24 double crochets. Okay, after 24 double crochets, I'm going to insert my hook inside of the second chain and make 1 slip stitch. You need to do this after each round. This is the end of the round 2. Now I want to start the round 3. So first chain 2. Don't count it as 1 stitch. As the first stitch, I want to make 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and inside of the next stitch, I want to increase 1 and 2 double crochets inside of 1 stitch. This is the pattern you should repeat. Let me show you again. 1 double crochet, and inside of the next one, 1 increase. You need to repeat this 12 times until the end of the round, and then you should close the round with a slip stitch, and after that you need to have 36 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 3. Now I want to start round 4. First chain 2 inside of the next stitch, 1 double crochet, inside of the next one, 1 increase, and again 1 double crochet. This is the pattern you should repeat 12 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 48 double crochets. And don't forget to close the round with slip stitch. Okay, this is the end of the round 4, and I have 48 double crochets. Now I want to start the round 5. So first you need to chain 2. Now 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, Now 1 increase. You need to repeat this pattern 12 times until the end of the round, and then after that you will have 60 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 5. Now I want to tell you how to crochet round 6. To crochet the round 6, first of all, you need to chain 2. Then you need to repeat this pattern that you see in here. 2 double crochets, 1 increase, and again 2 double crochets. You need to repeat this 12 times until the end of the round, and then after that you will have 72 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 6. Now I want to tell you how to crochet round 7. To crochet the round 7, first you need to chain 2. After that you need to repeat this pattern that you see in here. 5 double crochets and then 1 increase. You need to repeat this 12 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 84 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 7. Now I want to tell you how to crochet round 8. To crochet the round 8, first you need to chain 2. After that you need to repeat this pattern, 3 double crochets, then 1 increase, and then again 3 double crochets. You need to repeat this 12 times, and then after that you need to have 96 double crochets. This is the end of the round 8. Now I'm going to tell you how to crochet round 9. To crochet the round 9, first you need to chain 2, then you need to repeat this pattern that you see in here, 7 double crochets, and then 1 increase. You need to repeat this 12 times until the end of the round, and then you will have 108 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 9. Now I want to tell you how to crochet round 10. To crochet round 10, first you need to chain 2, then you need to repeat this pattern down here 12 times, 4 double crochets, 1 increase, and then again 4 double crochets. So repeat this until the end of the round, and then after that you will have 120 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 10. Now I want to tell you how to crochet round 11. To crochet the round 11, first you need to chain 2. After that you need to repeat this pattern here, 9 double crochets, then you need to increase. Repeat this 12 times, and after that you will have 132 double crochets. Okay, this is the end of the round 11. Now I want to tell you how to crochet round 12. To crochet round 12, first you need to chain 2, then you gotta repeat this pattern down here, 5 double crochets, 1 increase, and then again 5 double crochets. So repeat this 12 times until the end of the round, and after that you will have 144 double crochets, but do not make slip stitch on the end of the round. So this is the end of the round 12. Now I want to make slip stitch and change the color to green. So insert your hook inside of the second chain. Now I want to grab the green yarn. So grab it, pull it through, and pull through again. Before starting round 13, I want to cut this yarn. We need a long tail. Now I want to start crocheting round 13. So first, you need to make 1 slip stitch inside of the first stitch. Look carefully, this is the pattern we are going to repeat. So after 1 slip stitch, you need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Inside of the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. And again, inside of the next chain, I want to make another single crochet. Now inside of here, I want to skip 1 stitch and make 1 slip stitch inside of the next stitch. Like this. After that, I need to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now again, I want to skip 1 stitch and make 1 slip stitch. This slip stitch is going to be for the second time that we make the leaf. So this is it. After the slip stitch, again, I'm going to make 4 chains, 3 and 4. Now 2 single crochets, 1, and inside of the next chain 2. Now I'm going to skip 1 stitch and make 1 slip stitch inside of the next one, chain 3, 2 and 3. Now skip 1 stitch and start the third time of making the leaves. So you see this pattern in here, you need to repeat this 36 times until the end of the round. I will see you there. Okay, on the end of the round 13, I have the leaves. Now I want to make the last slip stitch. So insert your hook and make 1 slip stitch. Now we can cut the green yarn. Now I want to show you how to hide the tails. So first, the green yarn, you need to tie knots. 1, 2, and 3. And for this tail, you need a needle. Okay, now I want to get this tail to the middle. Now I'm going to crochet roses. To crochet the roses, you can use red color or pink or any color that you want. I'm going to use pink. So first you need to make 1 slip knot like this. Now insert your hook, make it tight. I want to insert my hook under these 3 chains right there and grab the pink yarn and make 1 slip stitch. See, like that. Now I want to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now inside of the third chain from the hook, I want to make 1 double crochet. Okay, we need 3 double crochets inside of each chain. This is 1, 2, and inside of the same chain, number 3. Again, inside of the next chain, I'm gonna make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And so on. You need to keep making double crochets, 3 double crochets inside of each chain until the end of the chains. Okay, when you get here, you can chain 1. We need the tail and cut the yarn. Now you need to connect a needle to this tail. Okay, after that, I'm gonna roll the rows. You see, just like this. Okay, now I want to insert my hook inside of here and pass it through all the layers of the rows. You see, like that. Now from other side, you need to pass 2 stitches and again insert your needle and pass it through all the layers. Yeah, great. Now again, I want to bring it out from here. Now you don't need your needle. Get your hook and insert it exactly inside of here where this tail is. Insert it. Bring it out. Grab the other yarn, the other tail, and bring it out from here. Okay, now you need to tie knots. Now cut the tails and push the knot and the mini tails inside of the flower, inside of the rose, just like that. So keep making roses all around the coaster, and then I'm gonna be here. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe down there for any future videos. See you guys.